Alrighty, what's up there, YouTube? Welcome to a Cooking Generals blog. Yeah, I haven't got a chance to do this in a while, and I just want to, connect. And, you know what I'm saying? I know I'm on the Outmost of One channel, but I do have a channel on YouTube called The Cooking Generals on YouTube. Just type in Cooking General, and you'll find all my cooking shows. This channel here, I just put random stuff on it, make announcements on it, so and stuff like that. There, I got a lot of other stuff coming out on just on this channel that probably won't have nothing to do with cooking. But anyway, what I'm doing today is I'm getting my seasoned flour right now. I'm just cooking a little Sunday's meal, and nothing I haven't cooked before. And here's my seasoned flour. You know what I'm saying? I got what I got here: garlic powder, got some paprika, some white pepper, black pepper, salt, seasonings, and just a bunch of things in here. I'll say maybe about 8 different things. I don't have the things to make my serious chicken fry flour that I normally use. And but right now I'm cooking in a pot. I'm getting my grease hot. And you see I got my chicken over here seasoned too. And I was gonna cook me some collard greens, but I did cook some collard greens. I was gonna do some fried collard greens. I used to do fried cabbage, but I was gonna do fried collard greens, but I didn't. So I'm just gonna steam them. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna add some more stuff to them later. I got the caps cooking right there. And I got some pre-cooked bacon. And I'm gonna put it in there, but I'm not gonna put it in there right now because collard greens are a little tough. Got a little vinegar off in there. Kind of let them get a little bit softer. And I got me some baked Chinese style ribs in the oven. And I'm finna to get them started. And I got a few other things too I'm gonna show you as we go along. And you know what? I may decide later on, maybe about another month or two, maybe start going live on this channel so I get a chance to chat with y'all guys. And maybe about 45 minutes to an hour. It won't be nothing really long. You know what I'm saying? And see if y'all like that kind of thing. And we can see, so if y'all got questions to ask about any video I done cooked on, or y'all see something I didn't explain it enough, we can all go there, and do stuff like that. So, if you're interested in that, let me know in the comments, because that's where I really know if I get enough comments that's saying, yeah, we'd like to see you live, I'll get that set up. But right now, I'm going to get back busy and then come back because this vlog ain't over yet. We're going to keep going. Okay, we off to the races. Got that chicken started. And it's going good. Pop on it. Other batch ready to go. Now, I'm going to tell you something about chicken, just real quick. I used to eat at Popeyes and churches. The spicy chicken, you know what I'm saying? They had other places back in the days, you know what I'm saying? You had Hart's, Roosters, all kind of chicken places. But as the years went by, it seemed like they started toning down on the spices. So I like my meat spiced all the way to the bone, you know what I'm saying? I'm just doing this regular. So I'll marinate my chicken overnight. Put it in the refrigerator. This is my regular marinade, you know what I'm saying? But I usually have a spice marinade when I do a real hot chicken, when the boys is drinking and stuff. And it's seasoned all the way to the bone. You know what I'm saying? It's got the red color. I use a lot more peppers and stuff in there when I'm doing it for myself. And like I said, it's just a lot better. So I just really quit buying fried chicken and just start doing my own. Now this is this basic way here. I have no idea doing chicken in a wet batter too. But I had a video back in the days when I barbecued. It's an old on the Cooking General channel. It's a barbecue chicken video where I showed you. I didn't really tell you exactly what I did, but I done a regular barbecue and I done kind of like a hot wing barbecue, but I used leg quarters, and you can see the difference in the video. And that's a real good. Now a lot of people have been wanting that recipe for a long time, and I hadn't really made a video to show how to do it yet. But I had just started off doing Cooking General, so I didn't, really just show a lot of stuff then. But if you're interested, you know what I'm saying, I can redo it, that video. But it's like I said, it's an old video. But it's very, very good. I have a lot of people who likes that there and love me to cook that there, especially when they come with leg quarters. Because, you know what I'm saying, I only just cook inside, I cook outside too. I prefer to cook outside, but it just shoots better videos inside. So maybe if I get better equipment later on, I'll do more outside videos. And we're going to get this here done now. Let me see, got that going. My ribs in the oven, I'll check them in a minute. I got some other stuff I cook. I got some sweet potatoes I cook. I made some cornbread from scratch. I mean, every time you make cornbread from scratch, it is just the best. It's the best of me because I can make it exactly how I want. I'm going to show you how that looks later on. Man, it is terrific. So now I don't want to keep rambling on, so I'm going to get a little more stuff done, and y'all come back, and we'll keep on this vlog. Okay, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. This here is just basic chicken. Like I said, basic recipe. Got a few more spices than your average, fried chicken. But that's how I like my chicken, you know what I'm saying? Golden brown, crisp, you know what I'm saying? And cooked to perfection like that there. I mean, there's a lot of people I see do videos on YouTube on fried chicken. And, but, everybody got their certain tastes and certain ways they fry chicken. And there's a lot of good ones out there if y'all want to check them out too. But I know how to fry chicken in any way, known to man, because I'm the cook in general. I experiment a lot, believe me. Next time I cook chicken, I won't even probably use the same season no more, unless I'm just doing it for other people who like it this way. Man, if you look at my book about how to fry chicken, I guarantee you'll find over like 75 different recipes that I wrote down myself. And I'm steady working on it. Chicken is like a work of art, you know what I'm saying? You can master it one way, but it just goes so many ways of mastering chicken. It depends on what kind you're looking for, especially when you're talking about fried chicken. And this is just like I say, I got a few basic ways, but this is the most common way that a lot of people do it. And so that's the way I kind of stick to, because that's what most people like. Me, a little bit more spice. All right, I'm out. Alrighty, we back, and I think I got the collard greens just like I want them. And I was talking to some people the other day about collard greens, and they said we had fried cabbage, and I said, man, you ever had fried collard greens? I said, basically it works about the same way, but you got to do it a little bit different because collard greens are a little bit tougher than cabbage. And they was like, no, I ain't never had it that way. I said, well, get enough interest in this, you know what I'm saying? I'll show you how to do it. So I might show him how to do it, and I might just make a video on it. I don't know. If anybody interested in fried collard greens, not cabbage. Now I know you can use the same recipe you use really when you do when you just do your regular cabbage greens, but collard greens are a little bit tougher. Like I said, it's gonna take a few more steps. Now I got it ready. I tasted it. You always taste your food. Always. I added me another pinch of salt, and I'm now gonna add my bacon to it. You know what I'm saying? This is pre-cooked. I already pre-cooked it. Real bacon. It's bacon bits, and I like the flavor that bacon gives them. And so I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there, and gonna mix this up. And like I say, it's about done. I can really just probably let it cook maybe about maybe 2 or 3 more minutes, and then I'm just gonna cut it off and just keep the top on it and just kind of let it go like that. And waiting on this second batch of chicken to get ready. Put the lid back on there. All right, that's gonna be about done. The second batch of chicken about to come out. First batch there, and I'm gonna check these ribs in the oven. So we going. Hey, hope y'all like this here. Y'all just hanging out. We just chilling. Alrighty, last of the vlog. Now these are the red beans I cooked. Got a little salt, bacon. I went on custom links up and got some beef bones in there. Beef bone has a little meat on them. And it's, what I'm saying, this is probably only my 3rd time trying them this way. I used to do it a different way, but trying something new today. And then all y'all know, what I'm saying, a regular fried chicken. And there you go, my Chinese style baked ribs. And like I say, they are good on the barbecue pit. Oh man, I'm telling you, real good. And I also had them grilled. And then also, you can have them Chinese style fried, man, just the works on them. And there goes my cabbage. My collards. Collard greens. Got me saying cabbage now. But these are my collard greens here. You know what I'm saying? I, kind of steam cook those there. But that is a recipe I know how you fry them. And then it's also cabbage and a collard green combination that I usually cook too. That's pretty good too. And I had to have me some sweet potatoes, candy yams, whatever you want to call them. You know what I'm saying? And you want to cook those there. You know what I'm saying? I try to cook mine. I don't want them too mushy, but then again, you know what I'm saying? You gotta kind of get them just right, especially when you're using fresh sweet potatoes, not the can. And then my ultimate thing here, everybody loves, is my homemade cornbread, golden brown, and cooked in a cast iron skillet. I love cooking cornbread like that. That's one of my grandmother's and great grandmother's recipes, and it's really, really, really good. Man, that is one of the best cornbreads that you can make. And so now I'll just wait for everybody to get here, and we just have a little dinner. And that's about it. And I will be catching y'all saying, if y'all really like this here and y'all want to see me go live on this channel, you know what I'm saying, you got to leave it in the comments. If I get enough comments, I'll know, let me know that, you know what I'm saying, yeah, y'all will like that. And we'll try to find a day of the week to do it where everybody can, tune in, and we'll figure that out later. We'll take a vote on that, and we'll go live, and we can answer questions. I can answer questions. I probably ask y'all questions. Y'all ask me questions, you know what I'm saying? Especially some of the videos I do, I don't really give a lot of details, but if you got anything you want to ask, you know what I'm saying, and I'll answer it, and we can get that done. And check me out, too, on the Cooking General channel on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to still be doing some cooking over there. So this is going to conclude this video. And I think that's about all I had to say. But here we go, y'all. And thank y'all for tuning in. And making this here channel a success, too. Oh, there we go right there. Y'all already know. Oh, y'all better go and see it. Cooking General. Ask somebody.